Well, folks, I am in the gardening department. You can see the shelves are empty at Walmart here in my location. Some of the garden items are here, I guess. Let's see. It's a net for your little grapes. Protection net keeps the birds from eating them all up before you get them. $6. Wait a minute, what is that? 6.80. I've been up all night. 6.82. Then you got the deer netting. Someone was asking me about how to keep deers away from their crops, and I told them, I said, go look around on the internet because I'm not an expert at that. So we have some of the garden supplies. You can see they got these screens up. Well, what do they call cages? These cages are always too small to put your tomatoes in. They're always too small. They always, I mean, especially if you got indeterminate tomatoes, they get big as I don't know what. And I saw some seeds out here. I'm going through these doors. And there we go. Now we're going to look at a couple things. We're dealing with the seeds. We're going to look at price. Now these are very good prices here. They're $1.44. $1.44 for herbs. And if you know what you're doing and you grow them correctly, you can definitely get you a good return on that. And they got some down here. What is these? Beans, packs of beans, which is okay. Walmart beat all their prices in the other stores. Yeah, Walmart beat their price. Look at these here, and these are burpees. Some of them are burpees. I'll put it that way. These are burpees here, and they're $1. Wait a minute. Yeah, beautiful burpee packaging. Look at that, cucumbers. Um, it's not a real big selection here, but it's enough. They have more coming in. They always have more coming in each year than just what you see here. Let's see, they got flowers. Um, then you got peppers here. All burpees. This is their display. And so burpees were the first ones in the store because the same thing when you go to, it's a different style rack, but it's definitely burpees. Uh-huh. Look at this right here. Oh, I always wanted to grow these. And then you have beans, rocket, Walla Walla onion. I like starting these out in containers. And I think that's about it. Tomatoes. Watermelon. And there's one tomato called a brandy wine. Brandy wine. And then you got the steak. Hybrid. And then you got the Roma. I have the Roma seeds at home. The famous yellow squash. And the packs, they feel pretty good. There's something in them, but these are 44 cents. $1.44. Beautiful, beautiful job. Now these are the packs I was telling you about at home that I have. They make them circular now, but mine are, well, no, here's the pack I have at home. And how much are these? These are $5. So they're the same as last year. Last year's, well, actually they're $1 less than last year. Now here's some of the, you got the holly toner, tomato toner, garden toner. The price here is $7 for looks like a 3-pound bag. Beautiful. And the only difference in these fertilizers is that there's a different mix that allows it to stimulate more bloom, like for flowers, roses, and that sort of thing, or to grow vegetables and roses. Let's see, vegetables are right there. You see 3, 4, 4. And if you look here, you see there's more nitrogen here. So that's how that works. And then you got tomatoes, which is 3, 4, 6. So that's how we do it, folks. And there we got the pots here that are made from peat. That's why they call them peat pots. I never use them. They're a little too on the pricey side. 5 cups for almost $3. I never mess with them. All right, folks, that's it. This is the Morning Gardener telling you that all the supplies are entering the stores. Walmart also has some of its supplies in, and the first ones this year were Lowe's. But all in all, come out to the stores and start stocking up. Get ready early for the gardening season so that you can put your plants together and your items that you're going to grow. And they've got plenty of supplies of different things so you can get in on it early and get the right things you need before they're out of certain things. This is the Morning Gardener.